I'm waiting for my mom. She's supposed to be doing this project with me, but she's late. So we'll just wait and wait. Ready to do a craft?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Alright, what are we making today?
We're making Easter baskets.
Alright, first thing you have to do, take a magazine, open it up.
I usually read these, not make things out of them.
So you have to like get the whole middle.
Oh, take the whole middle out?
Yeah. So you just have one long
Like this whole thing out?
Yeah. You have to rip that out.
Okay. Is that what you do?
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
There you go. And you're gonna have to fold it that way into a strip that's like this.
Just keep folding it the same direction? Oh wait, that's not thick enough. Let me start. Let me see how thick this is. Let me start with this side that's folded because I already folded the wrong thickness. Please get crook-eyed. Yes, it surely is.
Just a little bit.
Oh, this is gonna be a wonderful craft. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? The first piece isn't even straight. The first fold isn't even straight. Okay, Elizabeth's going to do this for me because I am absolutely horrible.
It's not gonna be too easy
At crafts.
after you already messed up the paper.
This is why, this would be why I do not do crafts. Why? Because I am not crafty.
Folding paper is a basic skill. I mean, don't you at least have to do that to like get to the first grade or something? Isn't that like a requirement?
Evidently not. Because I am skill-less. I don't recall ever creasing paper. Oh my. Well, see, there you go, people. This is how it's done.
And after you got it folded, just take a stapler, put one little staple there to hold it.
Now, if I did that, it probably went through my finger. That would have made for interesting pictures.
Alright, for the next step, we took the strips and we have them clothes-pinned onto a board to keep them still while we weave them for the basket. And we're going to use hot glue
Oh boy.
to hold the weaves in place.
Oh, good grief.
Alright, so we're going to take another strip and just weave it through here. So like over, under, over, under. Alright, and once it's lined up here, I'm just going to lift that up and put a drop there to hold it. Put it right back down. Alright, now that's what you're going to do next. What? What? Were you paying attention?
I was taking pictures. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes a lot better.
And just line it up where it needs to. Oh wait, no, you've got it over 2 in the middle.
Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Now under that one.
Oh wait, no, but now it's the same as this other side. You have to go opposite of what I did. So the first one would be over, not under.
Oh, okay. I got you.
The second one.
You didn't tell me you had to go opposite.
I'm sorry. I thought it was common sense.
Never.
I don't know what I know. I don't know what I was thinking.
Never take anything for granted with a new person.
now you got one solid piece here.
Okay.
So we're gonna flip it over.
Okay.
And then fold the sides up
Okay.
to make our sides of our basket.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, now that we have the sides bent, we're going to take some more strips and weave them through the sides. Alright, the glue is not working, so when in doubt, get out the stapler.
That's it. Staple that sucker.
This is gonna look like such a shoddy basket with staples all over it.
You won't see them. If I was doing this, I'd staple everything.
Yeah, that's what Martha Stewart would do.
Yeah.
Staple it.
Martha, staple it, baby.
This is gonna be such a fail. I can feel it. It's like this basket. Alright, now we got the second layer going up here. It's starting to look a little more like a basket.
It's actually cute.
Barely noticed the staple.
No, you don't.
Yep. You enjoying yourself over there?
Yep, so glad I could help with this craft.
I'm doing all the work. You're just sitting there with your drink.
That would be me, sitting here in my drink.
It's just like the gingerbread house. All over again.
Hey, listen, I'm here for moral support. That's it. Kitty, too. Are you here for moral support, too, Kitty? We're getting ready to put the handle on this beautiful basket.
Oh my gosh, it's even a little misshapen. Look at that.
It's our take charge basket.
Gosh.
We've taken charge of this
Someone
basket.
we didn't take charge enough.
Oh, I like it.
Oh my,
Elizabeth thinks it's not good enough, but I think it's beautiful.
it's got about 1,000 staples in it.
That's okay. It's all right. I like it the way it is.
As long as you like it.
I think it's a beautiful, beautiful basket. We're gonna put like several of them so that handle doesn't come off.
I know how to use a stapler.
Yeah, you should by now. If you didn't know
Alright.
if you didn't know before, you should know now how to
Well,
use a
the
stapler.
magazines were free, but we spent about $20 in staples on this.
That's for sure. Throw it all the way around. Oh, there. It's pretty. It's pretty. This is the angle. Keep going. There's an angle that's really pretty. Right there. Take charge. Right there. You can see the take charge on it there. Right there. That's the angle.
Wow.
Beautiful. Oh, take charge. That's a take charge basket. Love it. Love it.